I got some news, cause I know that you care. When were you gonna tell me? This news got to be the best that it could share. When were you gonna tell me? I met the Lord and all the sun.
My life is reconstructed and my soul has been won.
It's a new day, knowing His way. I'm forgiven and I'm going to heaven. See you pleased by the news that you've heard. When were you gonna tell me? The change I've had since I've learned of His word. When were you gonna tell me?
It's all I need, He took me in.
Now I am dependent on my heavenly friend.
It's a new day, knowing His way. I'm forgiven and I'm going to heaven. Let's show and tell them about Jesus. Jesus, let's go and tell them of His love for you and me. How He walked within our shoes. To for us it is good news. Let's show and tell them about Jesus. You still believe it's the pearl great prize. When were you gonna tell me? And it's worth every minute, every sacrifice. When were you gonna tell me?
It's not a job to hold it in.
The message of compassion and the freedom from sin.
It's a pleasure none can measure. We've received it now, others can believe it. It's not this time, cause it's running out. When were you gonna tell them? They know the truth and what salvation's about. When were you gonna tell them?
It's such a joy to know it's right.
It's not a complicated thing to show them the light.
It's a pleasure none can measure. We've received it now, others can believe it. Show and tell them about Jesus. Jesus, let's go and tell them of His love for you and me. How He walked within our shoes. Tell for us it is good news. Let's show and tell them about Jesus. Only you.